This is communication engineering lab with IoT's applications. This has number of facilities. This lab caters network filter transmission line communication system majorly, and with this we can study the total communication right from we speak and how the signal is processed and sent through transmitter to the receiver and even to our mobile. Also we have the testing facility of the signal which is passing through the communication. So these are the kits, very versatile kits which are used for current related applications, especially for the network filter and transmission line. We can check its working and different impedance parameters so that there should not be any mismatch in the line and loss can be avoided. We have latest CROs. Then we have multiple kits of this so that number of students can carry out their experiments simultaneously. Then we have very latest trainer kit for the communication transmitter as well as receiver. So we can study or train our student how to transmit a signal and how the signal is being received. So these are the very good facilities of signal transmission and receiving. For this we have very latest measuring tools. Also we have the optical fiber communication trainer where we can train our student with the fiber optical communication related experiments. Then we have the measuring of the radiation pattern and other antenna related equipments, signals, and this is one of the very latest facility in this lab. And with this antenna trainer, right in the communication system, right from the beginning, from where we speak and the signal is being translated into the electrical signal using the transducer, then how the signal is processed, modulated and then transmitted, then again received at the receiving end, and whether the signal is correct or not and what is the pattern of the signal, that all can be measured in this lab with this advanced equipment. Also we have good facilities of showing our student what we are doing in the experiment. We can have a this good interaction classroom with the help of LCD projector. This is how we can train our student related to the communication and network filter and transmission line. When our students are trained on this, then they are able to develop different projects. We have number of projects. I begin with this side. Here are the projects which are basically communication project with IoT applications. In this we have a smart dustbin, then IoT based air quality monitoring system, then we have IoT based biometric attendance system. So this lab is very much enhanced for IoT based applications which are the you can say basic need of today's industry. Then we have very advanced 3D printers, and these printers are rarely found at this level of study, but our students have done wonderful and we have this working 3D printers. Then there are, to save the solar energy, means energy, we use the solar panel at different places, but after some time the solar panels get accumulated of lot of dust on their surface and their effectiveness get down. So how the solar panels can be automatically cleaned, so that system is here. Our students have developed their system cleaning automatic panel surface without any man handling required. Then we have here automatic fire alert system with automatic fire brigade calling. This is the society shown in this project, and here everything, the fire alarm will you can say come on automatically, then automatically signal will go to the fire brigade agency and the fire brigade will come and they will distinguish the fire. This is so latest thing in smart cities. Then we have smart street light system. In this smart street light system, this is completely automatic. Then we have drone. Nowadays drone are used in most of the application which are very advanced, like it is used for intelligence, it is used for security. Even nowadays it is used in, you can say, day-to-day functions, like we can use the drone for sanitization, and then we can use for good functions like flower showering, or you can say flower dropping. Then we have a password based door lock security system using Arduino and keypad. So this is automatic door locking system. Then again we have another password protected door locking system. So how in this scenario of busy life, our house are unattended when we go out of the house. So how our house can be password protected using the door locking system. And this all, with this I complete about this communication lab, and our students have done wonderful. Thank you very much.